So this is the most common question patient ask in our practice, whether should I go for aligners or braces. So here is your answer. When we talk about braces, so braces are the mechanical devices which are to be placed by a dentist in your mouth, which are completely fixed, which cannot be removed. So if you are a working professional and don't want to be seen at your workplace with your braces on, so you should go for aligners. Definitely purely a personal experience about how you want to go along with the treatment. When we go for aligners, it's more of the comfort phase. When we go with the braces, it is definitely a comfort, but it will take some amount of time. Like ulcers and some ulceration is commonly seen with the braces, but with the aligners you have that liberty. Yes, you can put them on and off according to the ease. But with the aligners, discipline also comes into the play, because 14 to 16 hours of wearing, including your sleep time, is mandatory with the aligners, and with the braces they are 24 hours with you. So it's your choice.